Welcome to 8972 Azalea Sands Lane. You're going to absolutely love this 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome located in Champions Club. It's located on the golf course and it's just minutes away from Walt Disney World. Come take a look. Welcome to 8972 Azalea Sands. It has a walk-in laundry room. Don't miss out on taking a look at this golf course home because you're never gonna get tired of looking at these views. They are incredible. One of the other features of this community is it's also gated, has a community pool, has, of course, the golf course, has a fitness center. You're gonna absolutely love this location. And after you've been on the golf course all day, you can come home and you can relax in this beautiful patio area. It's screened in, it's overlooking the golf course, and one of the great features about this home is how well it flows. It has a kitchen that overflows into the living room area and goes out into the patio. So after your day on the golf course, if you'd like to bring some friends over and entertain, this home is perfect. It also has a 1-car garage, attached garage. Take a look. Wow, talking about a dream come true. Living on the golf course and being only 15 minutes from Walt Disney World, you've got to take a look at this 2-bedroom townhome.